Good morning or good afternoon, guys, wherever you are watching this video from. This is Peter, and this is a perfect time. I've been waiting so I can take this video in the middle of the snowstorm. I usually do videos to show my visitors who will be coming soon from different countries, those ones who will be winning green card lotteries, or those ones who have already won the green card lottery. And I just wanted to show them on how this place looks like. So if you are new to this channel and looking at it at the first time, please do consider to subscribe, share and like. So today we have started this November here, about 3-4 days after Thanksgiving, and it just started snowing this morning, and specifically in Wisconsin. And usually what I wanted to show you guys is whenever it snows, this is the way things look like. These are the roads. You can see they become very, very slippery. So if you are planning to come to the US, and you have to study the weather very, very, very good before you actually make your way here. And one of the things you have to look at is which state are you going to, what state are you going to live or to stay. So if you are going to live in those states where it snows, you have to think about what ways are you gonna be, how are you gonna be walking around, and your movements, because the first week you get to the US, you're gonna start doing things outside. You're gonna be moving, going to appointments. You're gonna be going to interviews. And if you do come with the kids, you're gonna be taking them to schools. And if they are not going to take the bus, you'll have to drop them off and pick them up. So those are the things which you kind of have to think about and get prepared. But usually this is the way it looks like. So if I can flip my camera like this, and I'm walking around my neighborhood, you can see the trees. This is the way the trees look like. There are no leaves because of the cold. And myself, I'm wearing gloves and I'm wearing boots, because there's no way you can wear regular shoes. And it usually snows. Sometimes it can snow up to 6 hours. But what happens is people keep shoveling, and yeah, that's what happens. They keep shoveling and removing, because if you don't remove it, actually it's gonna accumulate, and it becomes a problem. You know, it becomes really a problem to many. So you kind of have to monitor what's going on, and you can see even this it's kind of a small river here. It's not actually a small river. It looks like a water catchment area, and right now, if you look at it, it's like kind of icy, and because of the weather conditions. But the other ways which these things are being done, what they usually do is they sold the loads, they plow the roads, and once they plow them very well, is they put the salt, and the salt kind of helps melt the ice down, and so that the roads, the roads can be, it can be easy to drive. So for example, this sidewalk here, the pavement is tarmac road, like the regular tarmac look like the other one over there, but it's not so I'm gonna take my camera around like this, right around, and show you guys what's happening. So for sure, when you come to the US, it's gonna need a car, and I did a video yesterday. Immediately you land here, you think about how to get driver's license. Think about how to get a driver's license, how to buy a car. It doesn't have to be a very expensive car. You can buy a simple car to move from point A to point B. So you have seen here, as I've been walking around here, you don't see anybody. Everybody, they have their vehicles parked, and some of them are parked in the garage, and that's what they use in going to places. So it's a weekend. So I'm taking this video, it's a weekend, and most people are not going to work, they are not going to school. It's probably a church, and that's the way life is. So these are the roads. Sometimes they become so bad, and they can even make driving a nightmare. And in the US here is a responsibility. It is a responsibility of those are the roads. It is a responsibility of the homeowners to clear the sidewalks. For example, the ones I'm walking, they are given, actually the city gives them up to noon to clear everything, so that if somebody's walking here, you can clear and salt it. Because in the US here, the lawsuits are very, very, very common. If, for example, I was walking here and on this pavement and I fell down, sometimes people, they can sue you, call a lawyer, and file a lawsuit, because by law you're supposed to clean this sidewalks. These people will come out and clean this way, this sidewalk mentality. But what I'm trying to say, that this is the way the weather looks like. It can store for hours and hours, and then when it stops, the roads become very, very, very messy. And the only means of transportation people use is the vehicles like that one. Like that one driving all the way, living in the garage. Most people have garages. Like this one I'm pointing at. They have garages where they park their vehicles. So for example, you see these vehicles which are on at the street I'm pointing at. Those are the vehicles. If you don't clean them up, they will be covered. They will be covered with snow. So what we usually do, if you don't have a parking garage, immediately as it stops, you just come out and clean it up, and then you go from there. So sometimes it can snow up to 6 inches. Sometimes up to a foot of snow, and you have to dress warm. You have to wear a thick hat, you have to wear gloves, and you have to wear the boots so that your feet won't be cold. So this is the way this place looks like. These are the trees. You see? These are kind of apartments people they have around here. And they are the single family homes. And yeah, that's pretty much what's going on around here. And so I hope you guys you're gonna share my videos. Let me know what you think. And I'm going to cross across the street and show you the other side of the street. Let me cross here and head back. Okay, good thing here they have sidewalks where you don't have to compete with the traffic. These are the roads over there, and this is the sidewalk right here. That's where I'm walking. See? So it's really good, and it's well. The roads are well maintained here. They have a budget. Every county is given a budget to, use it to make the roads very smooth when driving. Not unless. So the vehicles like the one you are seeing in front of me, what happens is these are the ones. These are independent contractors. People, they have like a blouse. They clean the streets. So like this trailer this guy has, he has some cleaning equipment. He loads in his vehicle and cleans like this driveway around here. So those are you see up there. So those are the cleaning clothes. You can see them up there in his jackets. And those are the equipment they have in that vehicle to clean. So pretty much this is what happening around my neighborhood. I had to come out, guys, to show you what's going on. I know, it's not very terrible. This is the first winter we have had, winter storm in the first one so far this year. And this season usually goes all the way to March. That's when we expect everything to end. So this is the way the place looks like. Those ones are people's houses, and that's what's happening. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.